In this video, you will see how to delete table in LibreOffice Writer. To remove table in LibreOffice, you may have tried to select the table like this and press delete or backspace on your keyboard, but only the text deletes and not the table. So to solve this problem, what you need to do is select the table, and after selecting, right click, and here you will see the option of delete. At the bottom, here is the option of table. So when you click on this table option, the LibreOffice table will be deleted from the document. The another easy method is just select the table and press CTRL X on your keyboard to remove table from LibreOffice document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn LibreOffice Writer quickly. See you again in the next one.